Hello everyone, welcome back to AeroHub and welcome to the series of lectures in GATE solution. And we will start flight mechanics from this lecture. This question was asked in GATE 2013. Data of an airplane are given as follows. Weight is 30 kilonewton. Thrust available at sea level is 4000 Newton. The wing platform area capital S is 30 meter square. Maximum lift coefficient CL max is 1.4 and drag coefficient CD is equal to 0.015 plus 0.024 CL square. That is, this is CD naught plus KCL square. Assume air density at sea level rho infinity is equal to 1.22 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, so this is the data of the airplane. We have two questions. First question, the stall speed of the airplane in meter per second. And the options are option A 17.36, option B 34.22, option C 45.52 and option D 119.46. Okay, so we'll solve this problem. First question, we have two questions here. First question, and you are aware that for a level flight lift will be equal to the weight and thrust will be equal to drag. Okay, so we have the equation for lift is equal to half rho infinity v infinity square SCL. Okay, and this term is called the dynamic pressure Q infinity. You are aware about these things. Okay, and since we are operating in a level flight condition and we have to find out the stall speed. What is stall speed? V stall, that is stall speed is nothing but minimum velocity to maintain level flight. Okay, this is called stall velocity. Okay, and for finding out the stall velocity we have to use CL max. Okay, so from this equation I can find out V infinity square is equal to 2 times L by rho infinity SCL. Okay, so V square stall, that will be equal to 2 times lift rho infinity SCL max, and we are aware that the lift is equal to weight, so the equation becomes 2 times weight divided by rho infinity SCL max. Therefore V stall will be equal to root of 2 times the weight rho infinity SCL max. So I am substitute, the weight is 30 kilonewton, 30 into 10 power 3 into 2, we have 2 times weight divided by rho infinity is 1.22 and the wing area is 30 and CL max is 1.4. Okay, so finally we'll be getting an answer of 34.22 meter per second. This is the V stall of the corresponding aircraft and the answer is option B. Okay, so we got the answer for the first question. Second question, the minimum and maximum speed of the aircraft in level flight at sea level in meter per seconds are. We have option A 17.36 and 180, where first option is minimum speed and second option is the maximum speed. Option B 17.36 and 34.22. Option C 34.22 and 119.40. Option D 17.36 and 119.46. Okay, from the previous question we have found out the V stall. V stall is nothing but 34.22. What is V stall? The minimum velocity to maintain the level flight. Okay, so the minimum velocity for the aircraft is 34.22. Okay, and from this four option we have option C in which the minimum velocity is 34.22. Therefore the correct answer is option C, and the minimum velocity is 34.22 and the maximum velocity is 119.40. This is the answer. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. Thank you for listening. Take care.